Alright guys, welcome back to RockCrawlinJeeps. So we are back on the winch project. I know it's been a couple months. I'm sure you saw Zach's video while we work on his axle. I'll throw that up there in the corner. But while he's been working on that, I've been working on the winch here. So to continue progress, I want this thing polished, and that's what I've been doing. So wire wheel action, scrub brushes, metal brush, finished it up with some steel wool. Finally got this thing nice and clean how I wanted it. So next step for me here, I'm gonna go ahead and mask everything up because I want to put a nice clear coat on this. I like the vintage finish. This winch is now 41 years old. We're in 2020. So I want to keep that old retro cool look to it. So I'm gonna get started here on some tape, and I think I'm gonna time lapse this. So let's check it out. Time lapse there, a lot of tedious taping, but I think the winch is ready to go. I'm gonna, like I said, acetone it, not acetone. Just clean it up and then give it a few coats of clear. I want it to, like I said, keep that nice vintage look, and then we're gonna work on getting the internals back in, the gear sets, assemble the brake, all this stuff that I have laying out here. 90% of that has to go back inside the case body. So once it's painted, I'm ready to move on. I am going to take this brake assembly and paint it black. Other than that, it's staying how it is. I like the polished vintage look. Other than that, I think we are going to call it a night. I do need to go buy a paint rack so I can get this hung up, and a nice drop cloth so we don't ruin Zach's shop in here. So other than that, guys, we will catch you next time. Like I said, not a huge update on the winch, but I did make some progress this weekend.
I think they call it patina.
Patina. Oh.
It's vintage is an outdated term these days, man. It's patina.
Okay.
It gets more money. That's, if you have a rusty, shit box, just say that it's patinaed, and then it's instantly worth more money.
I see. Okay. Well, my nice patinaed 8274, it's getting a new life. And but anyway, guys, just to finish up, just a small update, and we'll catch you next time. As always, we appreciate the support. Thank you for helping us get over 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot. And stay tuned for more 8274 updates.